Salty and spicy chicken wings. To 12 segments of chicken wings, I'm adding salt, ground ginger, and black pepper. Now I'm just giving this a good mix to make sure everything is evenly coated. Then I'm adding some cornstarch and some potato starch. And I'm going to mix this together. Now, if you're making this, you may need to add just a tablespoon or so of water so you have about this consistency right here. It's not a thick and heavy batter. This is what's going to give you that light and crispy texture on your chicken wings. That's what we're looking for right here. Now my wok is heated on medium heat and I'm adding in some cooking oil. And you know your oil is ready when you dip in a chopstick and the tip starts to bubble like this. Now I'm going to carefully add in my chicken wings. I'm just frying half the batch, but if you're using more oil, you could probably fry a full batch at once. It's going to take about 8 to 10 minutes to fry depending on how hot your oil is. Just keep it moving around the pan so that it cooks evenly here. And then when they're a golden color like this, they're ready to be taken out of the oil. And this is just the first fry. I'm going to double fry this because I'm going to need that crunch later on in the process. And I like to use this type of strainer to allow extra oil to drip out. Now I'm frying the second batch the same way. And sometimes the chicken wing pieces just get stuck together, but you just kind of have to wiggle it around like this and they come loose. Okay, and now they're ready. So while the chicken is draining, I'm going to turn the heat from medium to medium high. And I know this is going to splatter because it does every time. Okay, carefully add your chicken wings back to your hotter oil. Now, if anybody knows a better technique on how to keep the oil from splattering, let me know. While these wings are so worth it, the cleanup on the other hand, well, that's another story. Okay, this just takes a minute or two to fry the second time because they're already cooked. I'm using the same wok with the heat turned down to medium, and I'm adding my minced garlic. I'm just frying it for about 15 seconds. I don't want to burn this, otherwise I'll have to start over because burnt garlic does not taste good. It's bitter. Okay, now I'm adding my sliced jalapeno and my sliced onion. And I'm just going to stir fry this for about a minute or two. Okay, when it looks like this, you're ready to add in your chicken wings. I'm giving it a good toss. And I'm sprinkling in some salt and MSG, but that's optional. I just like the way the MSG enhances all of the flavors in this dish. So I'm tossing it around so all the chicken wings get coated in that salty, spicy flavor. And this is why we needed to double fry it. Otherwise, it would get soft due to the moisture of the jalapenos and onions. So now I'm going to plate it. And I know I just had this yesterday, but man, while editing this video here, I'm just drooling. Okay, and there I garnished it with some chopped green onions. Hear how crispy that is? Don't mind if I take a bite or two. Here's the recipe for salty and spicy chicken wings. Now let's go make some.